Hello, I'm Sean Cheek. Welcome to Easy Piano Lessons. What I want to show you today is not so easy, but I do try to make it as easy as I can for you. And if it's too hard, you try some of the easier videos I have before you do this one. But this is blues. I want to show you how to improvise with blues on the piano. You can you can really get complicated with it. I'm not going to start you with something like that. We'll start with something easier, and then maybe you can build up to something else. But let's start with left hand, and this whole first part of this lesson is going to be in two parts. The first part will be left hand, and we have to get this down before we do any right hand. The thing with piano is you've got to be the accompaniment and the soloist, the melody, when you're playing by yourself with blues. And we're going to try this pattern here. C, G. I'm on a low C here. Here's middle C. So I'm past this C, down onto the next one. I'm going to put my pinky there. And you can either use your thumb for the G and the A, or you can do this with your pointer and then your thumb. I'm doing this right here. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, that's the pattern. And here's the chords you need to do. So this red dot's for the C, and it says do it twice. So do this pattern twice. Now moving up to an F, here's the next chord in the blues, 12-bar blues progression. Put my pinky on an F. So the letter that's written is where your pinky goes. And then I'm going to do the same idea. See that? I'm doing a C and a D here. Then I'm going back to the C 4 times, do the pattern 4 times. 2, 3, 4, and back to F4, and so on, back between C and F. Then we go to G, here's the G note right here, twice. Then I go back to F twice, and then C twice. Anyway, it's kind of boring by itself, but you really need to get that down before you try any right hand. And we're going to do that next. But anyway, if we just go all the way through it here, I'll go through it fast, which rock and roll originally was just blues speeded up. So let me just do it fast. F 4 times, C4, G2, F2, C2. Okay, it just repeats over and over again. That's blues. Don't do it that fast. I was just getting through it. Just like that. Get it down. Part 2 will be the right hand, adding some blues scales, and I'm going to show you that in part 2. Thanks.